To grow cuttings in old plastic bottles, follow these easy and exciting steps to give your new plants the best start. First, choose healthy cuttings from a plant. These cuttings should be trimmed to fit comfortably inside your plastic bottle. Take a container of water and add a tablespoon of sugar, mixing well. Place the cuttings in the sugar water for about 10 minutes. This step helps to boost the cuttings' energy reserves, giving them a better start in developing roots. The sugar provides a quick source of carbohydrates, which can stimulate the growth process and improve the cuttings' chances. Take an old plastic bottle and carefully cut it horizontally around the middle. Be sure not to cut all the way through. Leave a small section uncut so you can close the bottle later. Next, make a few small drainage holes at the bottom of the bottle to allow excess water to escape. This prevents water from pooling and helps prevent root rot. Now it's time to prepare the soil. Use loamy soil, which is perfect for cuttings because it holds moisture well while also providing good drainage. Fill the bottom half of the bottle with this soil. Take your cuttings and plant them in the soil, making sure that about half of each cutting is buried while the other half sticks out above the soil. Once your cuttings are in place, close the bottle by bringing the two halves back together. Use tape to seal the cut line. This creates a mini greenhouse effect inside the bottle, keeping the moisture in and creating a warm environment for the cuttings. Place the bottle in a shaded area where it won't be exposed to direct sunlight. The shade is important because it helps prevent the cuttings from drying out and keeps them from overheating. Over the next few weeks, check on your cuttings regularly. You should start to see roots growing within 6 to 8 weeks. Since the bottle is clear, you can easily see the root development without having to disturb the cuttings. During this time, keep the soil moist, but not too wet. If the soil starts to dry out, add a little water to keep it damp. This method of growing cuttings in plastic bottles is both simple and effective. It uses materials you probably already have at home, which helps reduce waste by giving old plastic bottles a new purpose. Additionally, it provides a controlled environment for your cuttings, improving the chances of successful growth. Once the cuttings have developed strong roots, you can transplant them into larger pots or directly into your garden. This technique not only helps you grow new plants, but also supports a more sustainable gardening practice by reusing plastic bottles. Enjoy the process and watch your garden grow. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more gardening advice, please like and subscribe and check out our other videos.